Hey guys, what's up? It's Selfire here, and today I'll be showing you how to create a simple animation on Flipaclip. So when you get in, you'll see two projects already done. They were created by Flipaclip, the creators of Flipaclip. So I'm not gonna check them out. I'm gonna teach you how to create your own things. Not as professional as these, but something like it kind of. So first I'm going to press the plus, and then I'm going to name my animation. Let's just say, please sub. By the way, please sub. So then I'm going to make the background white, which is always a good color. Wait for a second. I'm going to make 15. Yeah, this looks good. Now I'm going to open please sub. Okay, now I'm here. So now I'm just gonna color the background. How about a nice little blue? Then I'm just gonna make let's just say bird. So I'm just gonna create, actually it's kind of hard drawing birds. This doesn't really look like a bird. Okay. Okay, this doesn't really look like a bird, okay? But don't judge, please. So then I'm just gonna make it like that. Okay, and then put it like that, and then I'm just gonna create the eye. Hey! And then I'm gonna color it. How about a nice white? White. White. Okay, white, and white. Okay, good. They're all white. So now, maybe I'll color the beak a nice orange. So put it there, and then color the beak a nice orange. Yay, 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 yay. So like that. Okay, yeah, this looks good. A nice bird. And then I'm just gonna take my lasso, and then take this. Take this over here, and then I'm just gonna slowly glide it across the sky. Oopsies. So if you have trouble getting like the exact color and you think you can, well, don't worry, because you can. You just press this pencil thing, okay, and then you can just let go on which color you want, then just press it, and just fill in these tiny spaces. Well, you don't need to, it just looks normal. And then you just take this, then paste it, and then you take this. Oops, wait, I think I know what to do. So you, oh no, so I'm gonna copy and paste this. Copy, and then okay, now I've just gotta fill it in again. Then do that, okay, and then now I'm gonna put this back here, and then I'm just gonna fill it in again. Okay guys, so I'm done with the animation, so you can't see any goose or whatever the bird is. So let's watch it so far. Yay. Okay, let's see the full screen. Yeah, it looks kind of shaky, okay? So don't judge, please. So if you guys enjoyed, please smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on all post notifications. And I hope I taught you how to learn how to simply learn how to animate on Flipaclip, sort of. Thanks.